I'm here with my cousin Mia.
Hi guys.
We're doing a slime video, and Mia's playing with my slime that I made today. So, and what you have to do is you get clear glue. This is activator.
I made slime before.
And a mixing tool.
I watched
and a bowl
slime videos,
and
so
stuff.
I know.
So first what you do, so let's just get on to the video. So first you add your glue. You want to add it with me? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Sweet!
That looks good.
That's plenty.
That's plenty.
That's plenty. Then you add your activator,
Yeah,
little bit.
Yeah, you have to add a little bit. That's good.
And then I'm going to make sure nothing's in your guys' way. And you have to mix it really carefully. Like you guys are so clear. And then I'm going to let Mia mix in like 5 seconds. Me and Mia are doing a slime video. And I have YouTube. So now you're going to mix. Now you're going to start to mix. Just mix really slow.
You have to get it all off the bottom.
So yeah, she's gonna look at you guys, and you're gonna.
This is good slime. You have to mix it really well before.
Yeah.
It has to get off the ground.
No signs in the background. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit more activator.
Yeah, because it needs to.
And it needs to activate, so you see how it's like still sticking. So you see how it's like sticking to the spoon still? You need to add more activator.
A little bit.
A little.
She is so into making.
Little bit more of activator, and now I'm gonna let Mia mix.
She's got 5 likes on from everybody across the world so far.
Ooh.
Good job, Mia. You learning?
I know how to make slime.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because
Oh, your mommy's made some?
no, I have never made any slime before, but I watch slime videos, so I know how to make.
Oh, you watched them? Okay.
You're like me.
Did you make some at daycare?
Alright.
So I think let's fill it real quick.
Yeah.
We need way more activator. We need way more. I could have been open.
Well, I have nice shoes.
And then I'm gonna let Mia mix
Hey,
again.
why don't you put me in the video?
I am.
She is.
Oh, Mia,
She's
you're in the
letting
video
me
too?
mix.
Oh,
I'm letting her mix another. Let's see. So just keep on mixing till we see it starting
To form.
to fill.
I think that was a little too much
How do you like being
activator.
back home?
Wow, stop sticking.
Just like it was, I know, just like it was.
Now it's sticking to the spoon. I think we should mix with our hands now.
Okay, so now we're gonna take it out, and I'm
Mix
gonna.
with our hands.
And Mia's gonna get some, and I'm gonna get some, and then we're just gonna mix with our hands. So
Sorry
now
about that. Yeah. Somewhere there.
now we can go like this, and now we're just mixing with our hands, and it's getting a little bit sticky still,
It's getting a lot.
but it's working, and it's super clear.
Yeah.
That's why it's called
Oh, yeah,
clear
we got
glue.
soda for the filter. Right? Yeah.
So
It's gonna be
it's really
I
pokey.
can't wait to go to Colorado because you know what I'm doing when I get there?
I can only imagine.
Brownies, gummy bears, anything I can grab when I'm there.
Whistle.
Take it back with me. That's what I'm talking about.
So this is how it turned out. Now I'm
Anyway, yeah,
gonna
I'm going. I
take
can't
it,
wait. I have my uncle.
and then now you can play with it.
No, baby.
And yeah, so now we're just gonna talk and hang out, and this fits really over, but
I was like, hey, I'm trip to Colorado. I was like, what's the rules about eating things inside those shops? He's
Once
like,
you're done,
once
you
have
should
a license,
keep using
driver's
containers.
license, driver's license, and a
I only have
cash
one
only.
container for
He
it,
goes,
but we can keep it out.
Cool. So I thought, we'll grab some
Okay,
cash
guys,
over there and we'll go
so the next video we're gonna do is blindfolded, and Mia's gonna hand me the
I'm
stuff.
so excited. I've never been to one. Ever. Never. This is my first time ever.
And I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but it's gonna turn out good.
Me too. Okay, so Daddy, so this is the clear glue.
That's basically clear.
Well, here in Oklahoma, they will.
Bubba, what are you doing?
But get out of the video.
We're getting here, yeah.
Now I'm gonna mix them, and I'm mixing them all together, and then we're gonna split it in half, and then you're gonna get half, and I'm gonna get half.
Anybody will be the last one to get it.
Done.
Seriously, we would.
Get out of the video, bud. Dad, can you tell Bud to get out of the video?
Get out of the video. Bubba.
stop.
Might
Bubba.
entertain some more viewers.
That's for KK and
But
Mia.
stop.
Making their own video.
Can I make a
Girls
video
One.
on your
Well,
phone?
you can, well, in a minute, yeah, let the girls do their
Kirsten's
thing.
room?
So it's very, very cool.
Enough, like,
So now we're just gonna put this to the side,
I give it.
and now we're gonna end the video. It's been 5 minutes, and then the next video I'm gonna be blindfolded, and Mia's gonna hand me the stuff. So bye. To see in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.
So nice.